steal drugs out of a box and walk out.
It's not why I came here. I came here for that.
It's not happening.
Look it off, bro. Bro, get the fuck off. Stop. I'm not even doing nothing, bro. I'm not doing nothing.
Behind your back.
Hey, yo, you're going
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I got it. Yeah, you just body slam.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, fuck you, pussy. Call me a faggot again.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah,
Say that.
what? I got a good ass lawyer, bitch.
Good for you.
Yeah, I hope bring it up with your dog. Oh, yeah, knee on my face. Knee on my face again, bitch.
Stop moving.
Fuck you. Suck my dick, faggot.
Stop moving. We're gonna need like.
I ain't moving, bitch.
That's not a breach. You're a big
No, you don't think you guys are tough. You guys are fucking bitches.
We're gonna need
Give me my bandana, asshole.
You got anything else on him?
I ain't got shit on me. And y'all better not take my fucking shit again.
Shut up, dude.
Fuck you.
Nick, I want to get some supplies real quick. Put and
Yo, can you get the fuck? Bro, I cannot fucking breathe, bro.
you're breathing.
You are crushing my chest.
Pocket, right? Stop pushing against us, man.
I ain't move. You're pushing me down with 7 motherfuckers.
Just
You
relax.
saying I'm mad tiny, why the fuck need as many people to hold down a fucking 145-pound child, bro?
You say you're a child, how old are you?
We good?
Yeah, we're good.
Yep.
Are these good?
Alright,
Listen to my stuff.
what's your name,
I
man?
got a finger in.
Fuck you. You already know my name. Bitch, you already said it.
Alright, so you're gonna have to comply, or we're gonna have to take corrective action.
I'll comply. Y'all comply. I want my key and my wallet and my bandana. That's it.
Yep, we'll keep your property with you.
Alright,
No, you
so
won't. Last time y'all stole it.
listen to me.
Y'all, the last time I got arrested by y'all stole my personal property, so I want it back.
Stay on face down on the ground or not?
I don't give a fuck. Y'all are
I
faggots.
thought you couldn't breathe. Relax, we'll sit you up.
I couldn't when one of you faggots was pressing my chest against the ground. Now you're not, because it's all chill, right?
Well, you probably should have complied.
And it wasn't chill when whichever douchebag you slammed me on the fucking ground when my hands were in the air. Fuck you, whichever one of you were. Right, you were fine.
Get him himself. What's the charge up there?
Larceny. Yeah, larceny.
Is he stealing drugs out of the box?
Yeah.
Hey, let's take him outside. I'll pop the door for you boys.
Give me my shit, bro.
You don't get your shit locked up, dude. You're going to lockup.
You go this way. Going outside.
Bro, my hands are stuck.
Hey, who's got his ID?
Where are we going? I got a camera.
Let's go walk.
Yo, wait. Who's the cop that body slammed me?
Oh, what the fuck is that?
What the fuck was that?
You want a firework?
I didn't have knives.
What? My gun went off. Holy shit.
Oh, wow, nice.
Everybody okay?
Shut the fuck up.
Everything's good.
Nice.
Everything's
How
good.
much you shoot me, bro?
Oh,
No, a gun goes off in here. Oh, this court case gonna be easy. Y'all shot a gun in here?
what?
Fix the cuffs, please, bro. My hands are fucking broken, bro.
Stop this. Nobody else comes in here. Yeah.
Was that your gun or my phone?
It's still.
I see it. It's still locked up.
Hey, you. Do your thing. Let's go.
Keep that secure.
Yeah.
Let's go.
My hand, bro. It's not a fucking I'm not resisting. You stop right here. I just wanted to fix my hand, the handcuff.
We're gonna take them off in a minute.
The cuffs are going on.
No, but just the left one.
They're tweaking it. Just stop.
Thank you.
He's turning colors
The
here.
left, yeah, the left.
I
couldn't. I can't.
Stop moving.
Stop.
I'm not moving.
All right.
Holy fuck.
No. Just relax and we'll get it
Bro.
loosened. Stop moving.
You're moving my
We
arm.
have to get to the unlock.
The left one.
We have to get to the hole to unlock it and loosen it.
Well, maybe
Just-
you didn't fucking tie.
no, maybe if you didn't fight with us and it wouldn't
Bro,
happen this way.
I was manhandled by 4 of you. You said I'm so big. How was I fighting all 4 of you?
I
And
wouldn't know
I
at the
need to
beginning.
know
I
the
don't
name of
think
the
you're so
cop
big.
that when both my hands were in the air, body
report at some
slammed
point.
me.
Just shut up.
My foot off.
Why are your legs shaking?
Because y'all just fucking. What do you mean?
I don't know, you sound very aggressive in your voice and you look very
Because
scared
y'all
of your
just
body.
attacked me to the
Hey, we're
floor
doing you a favor.
and a gun went off. What the fuck do you mean?
You want it loosened? Stop pulling away.
So what is his problem?
So stop talking.
He's saying,
relax.
why am I
Relax for a
shaking?
second.
You guys just a gun just went off. In
We're
the
doing you a
fucking
favor,
lobby.
otherwise we can just drag you.
Yeah, it's a good favor. Let the gun go off. in the lobby.
You get a phone call. It won't be any better soon. Is that one, all those cameras marked before? Yeah.
Yep.
All right, let's yeah, just leave it right on.
Take his, no one's getting shoes off and shit too.
Who shot who around? I don't that footage too, because I have both my hands on me, and one, I don't know whose legs got over. I know it wasn't you. I have both my hands in the air. I'm 180 in the air, standing on the ground. Zach, I came here to get body camera for my last arrest.
So we are taking cuffs off. That's
Because you can have a shirt on, you just can't have like a spark or band-aid or something like that. It's our rules, we're not making it up.
The rule is also to shoot the guns in the lobby and it's to land people on the fucking ground face first. Great rules.
We're gonna take your cuffs off.
No,
Hashtag white George Floyd in
I'm
here.
gonna take the socks off first.
God, it's fucking ridiculous.
Oh, you know, it's apparent that you may be a drug dealer.
I am a drug dealer. Look, my last arrest.
You're a drug dealer?
Lift your
No,
foot.
a drug addict.
Hey,
My
lift your
last-
foot. Lift your foot.
My last.
No, I'm gonna sit down. Sit down.
The arrest I came here for, I got caught with a bunch of fentanyl pills.
Okay.
And I came here to get the body cam footage.
people that-
I'm a drug addict.
People that do drugs, they generally not even
Yeah.
to make sure that you never.
You know what's funny? When I got arrested, they found 100 ones in my car, and they didn't find ones in my sock, and I popped in the jail cell and they brought me to the ER for it.
Oh, is this Angus?
Alright, I'm gonna take these, listen. It's Zach, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna take the handcuffs off you.
Alright, I know what to do
Listen,
that.
just listen. We're gonna take the handcuffs off you. You're gonna sit down.
Yeah, I
As
know.
long as you follow instruction, nothing else happens.
Can I get a cup of water if I sit down?
Yeah, we'll work that out to you.
I don't see how it's necessary, bro. Yeah, I get it. I went through the drug thing, but then I brought you back right to the drugs. You can see on camera.
Stop.
I don't know anything about this sex, so just.
Right, all we know is that you're fighting with other cops. Keep your hand up. Stop.
Fighting with other cops,
Keep your
bro?
hand up by your side. Face the wall.
Yeah, fighting with other cops. This other cop almost shot my fucking foot off. I wish that happened. That would have been an easy fucking charge for me to get some bread.
Sit down. Sit.
I'm sitting here.
Throw on the side over there.